this like this.
Slap it just to make sure. There you go.
Okay.
Now, I didn't show you this before, but if you drop that,
I know.
or if you pull this back a little bit and let go, it'll just pull it back a little bit. Pull it hard with authority, but
I want to press this button.
that's kind of hard too. Here, seriously, just grip that. Pull it back. And let go. There you go.
Okay.
Hey, grip. Get your grip right. There you go.
I'm just going back just a tiny.
Okay, that's fine. Nice shot. Nice. Nice.
Oh,
Nice job. That's okay. You're out. Okay. Try to keep the gun up there where you're ready to shoot again. Huh? You're okay. You okay?
Hey, Gilly, I got 22 pistols. It'd be easier for him to shoot.
That's all right. So. It's just a little hard to hold still. There you go. Nice. Shoot that big white one. You still got some bullets, I think.
There you go.
Nice.
Pro.
We've tried to do the tests and stuff, but
It's whatever one he naturally uses, that's probably his dominant.
it could be, but there you go.
That was my 5th shot.
That's got 10.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, there's some guys in the military that was like
Yeah.
that.
My little brother might be. See, my little brother did that. He'd always shoot with his left eye, but he's right eye dominant, so I don't know why he preferred his left eye. But
There's a test that you do.
yeah, where you pick an object, and there's one where you can bring the triangle back to your face, keeping it centered up in the triangle,
Yeah,
and it'll go over your diamond eye.
What was that, 10?
I don't know. Nice job.
I think I hit the paddle again.
You did.
Yeah, I don't know why.
One more of this one.
Honestly, I think we could rebuild every machine again.
Nice.
I probably need 3 weeks.
I think two of those missed. There you go. Uh-oh. Got a jam. It's okay to be a little forceful with it. Nice job. You didn't even aim that one.
No, dude, you were looking down. I watched.
I need to do that.
Nice shot. My hand, let me know.
How much was this one?
I paid like $400, but you can get them for $360 at Broken Arrow Gun Shop and Sports World. Well, yeah, both places. Nice.
It's actually reliable.
Yeah. We're up to like 900 rounds, no cleaning. Some of it suppressed.
Yeah, so it's pretty good.
Probably more than 900. I bet we're over 1,000.
Hey!
You done?
Okay, got it.
Pull it. Pull it hard. Keep pulling.
Okay.
Is that cool? If you want, just hip shoot it like this. Get the Fat Bammer swag going on. You alright?
Yeah. Now I can pull it.
I think you're
We might be out.
out of quarters.
Oh.
Mag's not seated. Now you're at quarters.
Want to do it again?
Yeah.
It's kind of
Told
fun,
you.
isn't it?
You said no earlier.
I'm going to give it to you this time. Tear it up. Don't even worry about hitting stuff.
Yeah, get some.
Say break yourself and do it again.
It's breaking yourself.
Yeah, you don't have to aim, man. It's full auto. It's cool.
That
You might be at. No.
that Baltimore sheriff said that it was, you know, you could spray from the hip and you'd be highly accurate.
It's heavy.
Maybe he can.
Oh, we're so irresponsible. You got more? Yeah, now
He's
you're
out.
out.
I had 2 more left.
Good job, bud.